Good morning, you guys! Guess where we are going today? First off, let me show you how it looks outside. See the ice? It's icy. It's really icy. So we're getting out of here and going to some tropical weather. Guess you'll see when we get there. Alright, you guys, we finally made it to the Fort Lauderdale airport, and now I just have to find my best friend. Apparently, she's at a different terminal than I am. She's gonna tell me where she is and then keep changing it. She's on the ground over there. That's my best friend. That's my best friend! Ah, I dropped everything. Like 3 minutes to go get the people. Literally, she just keeps telling me where she is and then changing. Like she just wants to play a game now that I'm here. We're gonna go to our hotel now. First hotel of the trip. Babe, would you like to do the honors?
You went to the wrong room.
Shut up. The worst. Hey, it was close. You missed the light. Ooh, these high ceilings. Get your mask on your bed. So we're gonna go get some adult beverages. See y'all tomorrow! If I wanna sleep like this, I can't sleep like this is how I wanna sleep, okay? Alright, you guys, so we got our car, and obviously our first stop was there's a big van in the way, so you can't see it, but it's Wawa, because that's like the best thing about Florida. So now we have about a 4-hour drive to Key West. Oh, I'm so excited, It's gonna be so beautiful the entire way. Let's do it. Alright guys, we made it the 4 hours to Key West and we are pulling into our hotel, and I am so excited to show you this hotel. So this room is gorgeous, and I'm super excited to show you guys the next part of the hotel, which is mainly the reason we booked it because it's gorgeous, the pool area. So let's show you guys that. Expensive either.
Which is ideal. Check me out. Bartender Jess in action.
Okay, there's like really loud music playing, so it's hard for me to talk, but this pool area is beautiful. The hot tub's closed because of Corona. Per being expected. People are wearing masks. We have our masks. So I'd say this is a pretty socially distanced vacation. Are you ready to devour all this food, babe?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go get some cold beverages.
Because you know Key West.
It's so humid here. Oh my god, I can't with this humidity. At least we have our air conditioning blasting in here. We are going to take a shuttle to Duval Street and get some adult beverages, per usual. Not gonna take you with us for that, but we'll see you guys when we get back.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, so we made it back from Duval Street, and let me just tell you guys, Key West is dope. It's great. 10 out of 10. Wear your mask and social distance, but like you're gonna have a great time. I will catch y'all tomorrow.